Hello everyone, I am Fareenana and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to learn about HTML coding. In this video, we will discuss how to code in HTML. Let us start by discussing the various components that make up the HTML code. HTML code are elements, tags, attributes. HTML elements and tags. A web page is made up of HTML elements, and HTML elements are identified by HTML tags. An HTML tag always begins with the less than sign and ends with a greater than sign. Example: the tag for making the text bold is darker in less than sign B greater than sign. We put less than sign B greater than sign before the text that we want to format in bold. This is the opening tag or the on tag. We put less than tag slash B greater than tag after the text. This is the closing tag or the off tag. The off tag is same as the on tag except that it has a forward slash after less than sign. Container elements. HTML elements that include both on and off tags are called container elements. Less than sign B greater than sign, this is tags in bold. Less than sign slash B greater than sign. So you can see that this is the on tag and the second one is the off tag. Empty elements. HTML that only have on tag and do not require an off tag are called empty elements. Example for empty elements: less than sign BR greater than sign tag, which is used to give a line break, does not require closing tag. Another example is the horizontal rule tag less than sign HR greater than sign. HTML attributes. Attributes give us extra information about elements. They are always specified inside the start tag and have a name value pair. Example for HTML attributes: the language attribute of the HTML tag specifies the language of the web page, while the title attribute specifies the title of the paragraph, and the src attribute of the less than img greater than tag is used to specify the URL of the image. So I hope viewers that this HTML coding was useful for you all. I hope to meet you in the next video.